Best foods for colon cleansing. A healthy colon is the basis for the overall health of our body. What we eat affects our colon easily. A colon cleansing helps in weight loss and kickstart your metabolism. Your colon requires cleansing when you are experiencing constipation, bladder and kidney infections, vaginal yeast infections, bad breath, body odor, abdominal cramps, or toe and fingernail fungus. Eating the right foods can help you in the colon cleansing. Here are the best colon cleansing foods to include in your diet to nourish and protect your colon and keep your system running smoothly. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables are the best colon cleansing foods as they are rich in fiber. They aid in digestion and clean your colon and liver. Consume cruciferous vegetables every day to detoxify your body. Dark leafy greens. Dark green leafy vegetables are rich in chlorophyll, which helps in good digestion and also in colon cleansing. Include dark leafy green like spinach, kale, celery and collard greens to cleanse your digestive tract and detoxify your liver. Garlic. Garlic has antibacterial, antiparasitic and antiviral compounds, which helps to remove toxins, parasites and pathogens from the colon. Garlic is a powerful antioxidant that reduces inflammation, improves the absorption of food nutrients, digestion and eliminates the waste and toxins. Lemons. Lemons helps to stimulate the liver to produce bile, which helps in functioning of digestive system. Bile production makes the stomach work better, moving things along with cleaning the large intestine. A glass of warm water with a half lemon juice every morning helps in detoxing the body and in colon cleansing. Apples. Apples and apple extracts like apple juice, apple cider vinegar, apple sauce are the powerful colon cleansers. The fiber in apples promotes a healthy digestion and the pectin sweeps out the toxic buildups in the colon and strengthens the lining of the intestine. Green tea. Consume green tea every day as it is one of the best colon cleanser. The antioxidants in green tea improves the function of the bowel and cleans the liver. The vitamin C supports the immune system to naturally detoxify the body. Fermented foods. The digestive system has beneficial bacteria which helps in digestion, absorbing nutrients, battling harmful bacteria and eliminating toxins. When these bacteria are imbalanced, digestive health may suffer and cause damage to our body. To offset the damage, eat more probiotic and fermented foods like green yogurt, kombucha, pickle, sauerkraut, tempeh and kimchi. Flax seeds and chia seeds. Flax and chia seeds are rich in fats and fibers that promote healthy digestion and colon cleansing. They both are rich in omega-3 fatty acids which stabilize cell walls and reduce inflammation. Beans and lentils. Beans, lentils and legumes are the best colon cleansing foods. They contain fiber, phytonutrients, antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Beans, lentils and legumes helps in removing toxins from the body and normalize bowel movement. So try to include these foods in your diet for colon cleansing. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share the video with your friends and family. Subscribe, share and like.